Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, October 19th, 2010 a.m. The Venerable has done good work on you, and it is now that the results can be seen. Time has also done its work in the double aspect of creation, where everything must be born and die from this world. This action is ceaseless and necessary for its balance. The cycles of nature are edifying on this point. It is enough for you to observe it. It is an accurate mechanism which regulates its various phases. All is immutable in this environment with the repetition of the seasons and their effect on everything that lives here below. This work is done naturally, without noise, in greatest discretion. Allowing for exceptions, man has longer periods of life, but which undergo the same rules development and aging. Certain periods of the year affect the human being more, just like the animal or vegetable kingdom, which must adapt to the changes. Maturity generally makes it possible, if that is not already done, to become aware of the realities of this world and to seek within oneself that which must outlive this perishable physical envelope, the immutable, the divine, this light existing in the heart of the being and which is waiting to reveal itself in all its glory and its beauty. This is the goal of any incarnation, whether understood or not. Such is the project which sooner or later must be carried out. Babuji. Friday, October 20th, 2010 a.m. You all are connected to the same source by a kind of invisible thread. This is an image to make the point more concretely. The system is more complex and especially vibratory. Various lengths of waves connect you to the invisible. Your spiritual work refines you and places you on the appropriate network. We will soon conclude this epilogue. There is enough food for thought in all that has been said. Each reader of these lines will react in their own way and they will derive the related benefit according to their interest in it. The same applies for the basic teaching we give and the reading of the many books we wrote. The most demanding request can be met and bring you to a true awareness to focus on the main things. Each one must be able to advance on the path suitable for them, supported in their convictions by an assiduous practice and an open-ended book teaching. We believe we have put at your disposal the needful to meet your expectations. Follow your master with confidence. He is a very sure guide. Be surrendered and joyful for having found a spiritual way that meets your aspirations. Babuji.